I will show in this video cooling tower gearbox complete dismelting process. First, unscrew and remove the top gearbox cover bolts. Next, remove the input shaft coupling locking grub screw. Heat the coupling evenly and use a puller to remove it from the input shaft. After removing the coupling, unscrew and remove the bearing seal cover plate. Carefully remove the seal cover plate. After removing the seal cover plate, start the input pinion shaft dismelting. Now unscrew and remove the input pinion shaft bearing housing bolts. Tap the bearing housing evenly and carefully push it out of the gearbox housing. Carefully drag the outside the gearbox housing in input shaft. Remove the input shaft. After carefully remove all the shims and keep them safely for reassembly. Put it outside the safely input shaft. After start the output shaft dismelting. Now let's begin dismantling the output shaft. Use a jacking arrangement to push the top casing upward evenly from the bottom side. After start the input shaft dismelting. Remove the front bearing locking washer by bending back the lock tab. Unscrew and remove the first lock nut by rotating it anti-clockwise. Then remove the locking washer and unscrew the second lock nut. After removing the locking washer and check nut, start the dismelting input shaft. Support the dual pinion gear and use a jacking arrangement to push the input shaft downward carefully. Remove the dual pinion shaft from the bearing housing. Removing the input shaft in the housing. After remove the all jacking arrangements. In the input shaft, inspect the rear bearing in this gearbox. The rear bearing was found to be damaged. Remove the front bearing and its outer race from the bearing housing. Remove the front bearing and outer race. After removing the front bearing and outer race, next remove the housing in the rear bearing outer race. Carefully remove the After completing the bearing housing dismelting, take the input pinion shaft jacking arrangement to push the shaft downward and remove the damaged rear bearing inner race. After dismelting the seating bush and spacer plate, dismelting the input shaft assembly. After removing the spacer plate and bearing seating bush, the input shaft dismelting is completed. All input shaft dismelting completed. After start the output shaft dismelting. Start the dismelting output shaft dismelting. Eat the top casing around the seal ring area to make the removal easier. Continue pushing until the top casing and seal ring plate are completely removed. After removing the top casing cover and seal ring. After dismelting the top casing cover and seal ring, remove the top side output shaft bearing. After removing the output shaft top bearing, next unscrew and remove the crown wheel gear housing bolts. Carefully remove the crown wheel housing from the gearbox. After removing the crown wheel, after the heat the crown wheel housing if required and use a jacking arrangement to safety to remove the bearing housing. At this stage, all the input shaft and output shaft component have been dismelted. Root cause gearbox failure. After inspection, damaged the input shaft gear bearing, damaged output shaft bearing. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share.